While I'm tearing this all apart and I have a bunch of cords, I wanted to show you guys how the G5s, the 530 and the 430, are both set up with one of these. So this is a USB 3.0 to dual HDMI display adapter. All right. I probably got this off of Amazon. So on one end is, if I can get that off of there, just a regular USB end, and here is two HDMIs. So these HDMIs go to the 530 and the 430. I have a second one of these going to the dual G5. So I have a second unit. So two of these. One of them is for the 530, 430, which both take HDMI ports. And at the other end of that, wherever that end is the other end of the HDMIs, which go to the 530, 430. This end goes into the, I've plugged this into a USB, crap. I'm thinking that I had this plugged into a powered USB hub, and I had that USB hub plugged into another USB hub, which was that one right there. So this went through two USB hubs and worked fine through two powered USB hubs. And a lot of people will tell you just to plug those directly into the PC, which honestly is probably a better idea, but I never had any issues using that through a powered USB hub. So just showing you how that worked. If anybody wondered, how do you get this? Basically is allowing you to turn those into additional monitors. Okay, so using the USB onboard capability of your processor. I believe it's a processor. I can never remember if it's the processor, the what is it? The motherboard. So it's either the motherboard or the processor. I'm sure my guys out in the UK will probably correct me when I post this video. So anyway, yeah. Hope that helps. Hope you guys are like, cool. I'm gonna go get one of those now. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can go get one of those if I can find it. All right, see ya.